This summer, I'm taking my vacation and working at camp for a week, and that will make 15 consecutive summers.
Wow.
Yes, I've loved camp so much. It's funny, my grandparents had a mini panic attack earlier this year about the fact that who will they be visiting this year? That my brother will be at camp this summer, but at the time he wasn't sure if he'd be at camp. And we finally figured out that my cousin, Jacob, will be coming back from Dubai to go to camp, because once camp gets you, you're stuck. You even have to fly in from the Middle East to be a part of what is happening at camp. And they've been at least visiting someone at camp for over 20 years with my oldest cousin, Veronica. And I mean, both of them went to camp. My dad and his sister went to camp. All three of my cousins went to camp. My brother and I went to camp. And now Yasha's going to camp, or Jacob. It's been a very big family thing. That my grandfather's older sister was there the first summer that camp existed. That it's been a very important part of our family's history and our lives.